Hello, I'm your friend Kotlin with Cat, and today we are going to make an example of CompositionLocalProvider. We can share or pass some local value into some compose functions without parameters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, open the subtitles, and let's begin. Let's create a simple UI including 3 texts in a column. Now we want to pass a value from text 1 to text 3 without parameter. Each time of value passing will change the value. CompositionLocalProvider can do this easily. Now let's test. As you can see, the value has been changed in every text. So why should we use CompositionLocalProvider? Because the parameter for a function is a constant value. It cannot be changed. So with CompositionLocalProvider, we can change the value when passing data between compose functions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.